Okay, so I just came out, sat down on my bike, and there's a praying mantis sitting here. I'm just going to close my helmet because I don't really want it to get inside my helmet. Isn't that cute? It's actually quite healthy. Most praying mantises I see around here, once they're, on the ground, are not doing so well. So I'm going to put my kickstand back down, and we're going to get him off there and put him on a plant or something. So I'm guessing he's not going to like the motorcycle ride. That would be fun, but make sure there's not any others around. Sometimes there's multiples because they've, killed each other. So don't attack me, please. Don't attack me, please. I would never do this with my gloves off, just saying. We're just going to come right over here. And we're going to put you on a plant. Go ahead. Step onto the plant, please. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay. I feel much better now. That was... yeah. Okay. Oh, I see a Camaro. A convertible. Which means it's an old person, which means they won't race. I know. Look at how slow he's going right now. Still got the wave in. Anyway, there's a storm coming. I saw it on the radar. See those clouds, those little thunder clouds peeking up over there. So I missed that gear. And I pinched my pinky in the clutch, in the handle. I squeezed my own finger in the handle. That didn't feel good. I've never done that before in my life. Easy. Never have I smashed my own pinky in my... What is happening right now? I pulled in the clutch, I shifted, I went into neutral, and then I squeezed my own pinky all at the same time. Use all fingers to compress the clutch and brake. All fingers. That's what you learn in class. They tell you not to do that. I mean, mostly with the brake. I guess I never thought about it with the clutch. And I didn't purposely do it. I really didn't. Coming in hot. It's like a fajita. There's a good motorcycle. Honky honky. Yeah. Get out of my spot. Hello.
Hi, Dad.
How are you, son?
Good. Our Shiba went down.
Our Shiba went down.
Hola.
¿Qué pasó, ese? My mirror is messed up. Always check your mirrors before you ride. Okay. Welcome everybody to motorcycles. Well, I think it's about 50. I'm not real sure. If you can't hear me very well, that's because I have my hood on. Not my hoodie hood, but I just have another hood that goes inside my helmet. And I've got my winter gloves on. Just regular jeans. Well, technically they're stretchy jeans, so they're probably not as warm, but my legs get cold, but it doesn't bother me. It's my hands and face that really bother me. So I also got my clear visor on. It's very important. Very, very important. Here you go. Okay, bye. Love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
Yay, I don't have to wear a backpack, a heavy backpack, and a hood, and giant gloves. It was worth bringing the little gloves. What did I do with the GoPro that I had? Okay then, what in the world did I do with it? I must have left it inside. Must be on my desk. So I think I left my camera up in my office.
Oh, you gotta go grab it?
Yeah. So I'm gonna go over by that door. You can go if you want. You gonna wait? Okay.
That freaked me out.
That's funny.
You gonna put that on your channel?
Oh, it is now. It is now, buddy.
Good job, man.
See ya. Oh, they're in it? I don't know. You want me to check? Nate, he's on the phone.
Okay.
The only bad thing about riding when it's cold, not the only, it's one of the many reasons, it's one of the many things bad about riding when it's cold. Your nose runs. Squeak! Squeakity squeaky squeak, squeak, squeakity 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 squeak. Squeakity squeakity squeak, squeak, squeak.
Let's drive.
Where are you going?
Your backpack's still in the car. There's space to get through there.
Barely.